In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase text size or decrease text size in Safari on iOS 18. So the Safari browser is not left out in the iOS 18 update. So here you learn one of the features of the new iOS 18 on Safari browser, which allows you to increase or decrease text size on the browser. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing to do is want to open the Safari browser just like this, then visit any web page of your choice. Then let's say want to visit the Apple support page just like this. You can increase this text size above 100% or reduce it. To do this, all you need to do is click on this icon, then this icon, click on that. Then you should see this menu option comes up. If you click on the first A, this is going to reduce this text size. You see that? Beneath 100%. And if you keep tapping the second A, this is going to increase it above 100%. You see that? Now at the same time, while on this page, on the 100%, I click on this icon. You click on these three dots. Here, you have options to print, hide toolbar, then add bookmark, add to quick notes, and some other features like pin tab on the new page menu on your Safari browser. Then you can also click on this paper search icon to search for any time on the page you are analyzing on the Safari browser. So you can easily increase or decrease text size on Safari browser on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.